Imagine a world where peace and prosperity are within your grasp, where every step brings you closer to a life of abundance and tranquility. Today, we take a simple yet profound journey through the teachings of Buddhism, unlocking the power of mindfulness and inner peace. But there's a twist. We're not just exploring the mind. We're delving into your everyday life, right into the very bag you carry. What secrets lie within, blocking the flow of financial prosperity? Join us as we uncover these hidden items, shedding light on the path to a harmonious and prosperous existence. In our daily lives, we often overlook the significance of the items we carry in our bags. What we fail to realize is that each item, no matter how small or insignificant it may seem, carries its own unique energy signature. Take, for instance, the crumpled receipts stuffed in the corners of our bags. These seemingly innocuous pieces of paper hold the energy of past transactions, reminding us of expenses and financial responsibilities. Similarly, broken items symbolize a sense of lack or incompleteness, contributing to a feeling of disarray within our energy field. Loose change, although often overlooked, can have a significant impact on our energy flow. When we carry around loose change without organizing or using it, it represents a lack of financial mindfulness and can create a sense of stagnation in our financial abundance. On the other hand, branded merchandise, while desirable, can also carry the energy of consumerism and materialism, influencing our perception of wealth and abundance. It's important to understand that these items, through their energy signatures, can either support or hinder our energetic alignment with financial prosperity. By becoming aware of the energetic significance of each item in our bag, we gain insight into the subtle ways in which our surroundings and possessions influence our energy flow. Now that we understand the energetic significance of the items in our bag, it's time to take action and clear the clutter. Begin by emptying your bag and examining each item with intention. Sort through the receipts and discard those that no longer serve a purpose, freeing yourself from the energy of past expenses. Next, address any broken items in your bag. If possible, repair or replace them to restore a sense of wholeness and completeness in your energy field. As you organize your loose change, consider allocating it towards a specific purpose or savings goal, channeling its energy towards financial abundance rather than stagnation. Finally, reassess the branded merchandise in your bag. While it's okay to appreciate and enjoy branded items, be mindful of their influence on your perception of wealth. Focus on cultivating a mindset of abundance that goes beyond material possessions, emphasizing inner peace and contentment. Let's take a closer look at the items in your bag that could be blocking abundance in your life. Receipts might seem harmless, but they carry the weight of past transactions. Every time we see them, they remind us of money spent, creating mental clutter and blocking the space for new financial opportunities. Broken items in your bag can be energy leaks. They symbolize things in our lives that are not whole or complete, attracting negativity and draining our energy, which could otherwise be used to attract prosperity. Loose change, although small, can dilute the energy of prosperity when scattered around in our bags. Instead of organizing and using it purposefully, we let it roam freely, representing a lack of financial mindfulness and hindering the flow of abundance. Branded merchandise, while attractive, can drain personal energy and diminish our prosperity power. They often fuel desires for more material possessions, shifting our focus away from inner peace and contentment, which are essential for attracting abundance. By identifying and addressing these items, we create space for positive energy to flow freely, paving the way for abundance and prosperity in our lives. Abundance, in the Buddhist perspective, goes beyond material wealth. It is about inner contentment and non-attachment to worldly possessions. Buddhists believe that true abundance is found in the richness of one's heart and mind, rather than in the accumulation of material goods. Central to Buddhist teachings is the idea of interconnectedness, where all beings are linked in a vast web of existence. This interconnectedness extends to our relationship with money and abundance. In this context, generosity plays a crucial role. By practicing generosity and sharing our resources with others, we contribute to the well-being of the interconnected whole, fostering a sense of abundance for all. Contrasting hoarding wealth with sharing, Buddhists view hoarding as a form of attachment that can lead to suffering. When we cling tightly to wealth and possessions, we create barriers to abundance by feeding into desires and fears. On the other hand, sharing wealth and resources is seen as an act of spiritual merit. It cultivates a mindset of non-attachment and compassion, aligning us with the flow of abundance in the universe. From a Buddhist perspective, abundance is not just about having more. It's about being content with what we have and sharing our blessings with others. This shift in mindset, from hoarding to sharing, opens the doors to spiritual growth and genuine abundance that transcends material wealth. Transforming your bag to align with abundance and mindfulness is a practical and achievable goal. Here are some simple steps you can take. 1. Regular bag cleaning. Dedicate a few minutes each week to declutter your bag. Remove unnecessary items and organize what you need neatly. This simple act can create a sense of order and clarity, allowing positive energy to flow freely. Mindful receipt management. Be selective about the receipts you keep. Only hold on to those that are necessary for record keeping or returns. Dispose of the rest responsibly to avoid mental clutter associated with past transactions. Replace broken items. Take the time to repair or replace broken items in your bag. This not only restores balance to your energy field, but also reflects a proactive approach to maintaining your belongings. 4. Consolidate loose change. Use a designated coin pouch or compartment in your bag to keep loose change organized. By consolidating your coins, you create a sense of financial mindfulness and prevent scattered energy that can dilute prosperity. Mindful consumption. When it comes to branded items, practice mindful consumption. Decline purchases of branded merchandise that don't align with your values or contribute positively to your well-being. Instead, focus on investing in items that bring genuine joy and serve a purpose in your life. By implementing these practical steps, you can transform your bag into a reflection of abundance, mindfulness, and aligned values. These small changes can have a significant impact on your overall sense of well-being and prosperity. I used to carry a bag that was always overflowing with stuff. Receipts, broken items, loose change, and branded merchandise. It was a jumble of things that seemed harmless but weighed me down mentally and emotionally. One day, I decided to take charge and transform my bag. I started by dedicating a few minutes each week to clean and declutter it. It was surprising how much lighter I felt just by removing unnecessary items and organizing what I needed neatly. As I became more mindful of my receipt management, I noticed a shift in my mental state. I only kept necessary receipts and disposed of the rest responsibly. This simple change reduced mental clutter and gave me a sense of control over my finances. Repairing or replacing broken items in my bag was another step towards transformation. It wasn't just about fixing physical things. It was about restoring balance to my energy field and taking proactive steps to care for my belongings. Consolidating loose change in a designated coin pouch made me more aware of my spending habits. I became mindful of where my money was going and started allocating it towards specific purposes, leading to a more organized approach to finances. Mindful consumption was perhaps the most impactful change. I started declining purchases of branded items that didn't align with my values or contribute positively to my well-being. Instead, I invested in items that brought genuine joy and served a purpose in my life. Through these simple yet intentional steps, I experienced positive shifts in my mental, emotional, and financial states. My bag transformed from a cluttered mess to a reflection of abundance, mindfulness, and aligned values. It was a small change that made a big difference in how I felt every day. We've explored how the items in your bag can impact your energy and abundance. Receipts symbolize past transactions and clutter mental space, while broken items create energy leaks and attract negativity. Loose change scattered around can dilute prosperity energy, and branded merchandise may drain personal energy and diminish prosperity power. However, by taking practical steps such as regular bag cleaning, mindful receipt management, repairing broken items, consolidating loose change, and practicing mindful consumption, you can transform your bag into a tool for attracting abundance. I encourage you to approach your bag with mindfulness and intention. Consider the energy each item carries and how it aligns with your goals for abundance and prosperity. By making small changes and being mindful of what you carry, you can create a positive shift in your mental, emotional, and financial well-being. Thank you for joining this exploration. May your journey towards abundance be filled with blessings and prosperity.